Audio Jungle.
Good morning everyone. I am Alia Jamada from class 5th and today I am here to present the latest news of SMS, bringing you the most important updation, national, state and district events, as well as sports and another happening in and around of Sadalga English Medium CBSE School Sadalga.
National news Kashi Ropeway construction. Varanasi is set to introduce India's first public transport ropeway system. The Kashi Ropeway, spanning 3.15 kilometers with 5 stations, it will connect Varanasi Cantonment Railway Station to Godavilla Chowk. The project is expected to be operational by May 2025, aiming to ease congestion, the best tourism. Educational news CBSE proposed biannual Class 10 board exams. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has approved draft norms to conduct Class 10 board exams twice a year. Starting from the 2026 academic season, this initiative aims to provide students with multiple opportunities to improve their scores. State news Student attendance in examination. High absenteeism in 2nd PU mathematics exam on March 3rd, 2025. The second day of the pre-university PU examination. A significant number of students were absent, especially 12,533 students did not attend the mathematics paper across the state. Debate over Class 1 age restriction. Nearly 5 lakhs children in Karnataka are affected by new age restriction. Rule for Class 1 admission. Concerned parents recently met with the Commissioner for Public Education to discuss the implications of the regulation, which are sent to be enforced in 2025-26 academic year. District news Several organizations in Belgavi have announced plans for the massive protest on March 5th, opposing the government's decision to divert water from the Hidkal Dam to industrial areas in Hubli, Dharwad. They express concerns that this diversion could add to a drinking waste crisis in the Belgavi districts. Sports news India's victory in Champions Trophy semi-final. India secured a thrilling victory against Australia in the ICC Men's Champions Trophy semi-final, winning by 4 wickets. The match showcased excellent sportsmanship. School news Preparatory exams. Schools have conducted to know the position of students in academic and guide them according to their necessity. We harvested art revision from 5th March in order to make children in academic. Principal conducted staff meeting and it was decided to start annual exam from 21st March 2025. We wrap up this week's news. Let's continue thriving for excellence and supporting one another. See you all next week for more exciting updates. Keep shining. Thank you.